Mala kenyam gwasa mani gore jano beji nyo doba dana dere video dere ja upload keje kamo balu ke doba dana dong dere jagor keje men gore long kenyam please gore je dong doba dana dere title dere ngai keje gore YouTube studio do name ke bi YouTube analytics no bi gore na manage YouTube analytics beje twanya YouTube analytics go take a future mo go kono gwasa men den men blend be benial gwada me ka plus sign na bi twanya na mone mi ci twanya be nyot nyutun content rejimo so man gor kono gwada me we did a video to book man kono kula upload so we're going to select this video this one and video no ko de la be la so chana me cha select gwada me men yam blad janene gor jano bi mi chalele create a title this is very important me let the video to show perwage no ka video me how to download and install YouTube app ki YouTube application YouTube app no the YouTube application ki YouTube app
and YouTube studio mishi twanya binen bejinong na
so
me
depending ka title lana chi kama
binen take a home
okay
take a short
mara
take
dina
a
blood
plot take a
gwaza me o dere
subscription take a
description o
URL
dere la
channel
me take a description
mishi
dere
twanya
la
den
gwaza me
bejinong to koken
simply
mishi
let me
twanya
put
bejinong
how
dere video dere upload dere short dere upload dere
to
wika live ka dere ko post
download
titine kana kona la weje ka YouTube
YouTube
studio
app belel no no alana
YouTube
me me cha
studio
gor
kana
gwaza
YouTube
me
analytic ke different
but you
YouTube
got
analytic
talk
go binyanku
talk so
bika bika
chana
ngaje
goro
no
ba to wan ba
ke
laten
video ndi
go
upload
nere
ni
man just
ke bi ngaje
YouTube
no
app be lam no
earning
ko wada
dungu
ko
beja
yo dong
nyodi
da ro ko lat
shortly right
de
now
je ko malo jega netin ko kina ko dong de je gwi okay how to okay install a YouTube app so and me go more there use me there mal jega so you can put description down and go then below job gwada me mishi description ci je to gwada me then man dia nan gori bilat ben kam chelele public visibility me a very important place twanya mishi twanya gwada me be mo list no no be jo gori ba public gori jan listed gori je private so remember a very important part jenen no no bilat ka public bilal sada instant premier belet ye jira mutu kala video ka video na shi upload or so gor je bilat tin no no mishi go don a video mishi go no bilat again then ke gor je no charge bu je na bilat ka unlisted ke bilat ka private so these three things work but choose na men public ne am gor je no mo ba ne na miji to go yo gor yo mi jinde schedule but they lel ga channel le schedule ne they run mo ka door so for now mi chikono gor man gor kono gwada mani a visibility and then we go ka public gwada mo ala bu kon yuni mitani ala chikono scheduling chikono gor bana chulu jokke jogjo meridian gwasa me audience gwasa me gor je bi select and video de me dungan keshi dungan be sala me dungan be lele yes it is made for kid me she dungan be lele no it is not made for kid me to talk especially I will put it here not no it is not made for kid and then bojo kana setting to kokien you can put a location mugure jadi add ka playlist mutika playlist so let me simply click playlist I think I have one Neuro 9 Tech, YouTube, and Facebook tutorial or tips. Then I will put done. Binyoga Bimpingwa, the rest of the things here are very important. Tell him begerten just before I want to continue Kongalaton. Michi Toga complete Bishop and Gong, Bishop and upload. So right now we're gonna click upload Guadaman. Okay, now application and jatin ki video dan jatin code upload. No, Michi Ben what the tin si demal nene mat yes jano gwado mi appear jana mi to go mi ni ala ne bikona ne mi cha to yo bero da chule le lo da the play online lo da ngaro online right now shin tama take a pending ngole anyok bi YouTube ja kon check mi take a problem mi tin mi video dong tagan is YouTube you know mi cha je kono gwa tele reglo de je then YouTube be je chu allow but right now go take a pending take uploading and let's see let's wait come down below okay just few minutes. But remember this: go no jin be man down le road be ngai. No, go no be ta dan dong di YouTube di use ke je be ngai. No. While live kono where chan nyo ben ka jan do dan de kon do de kon lat ke je. Very important part me de ngai. Go jin be thumbnail be ta dan de le ke je be ngai. Thumbnail a go dan dong di tour de select me di use ke jan video. So me jira amma dong ngaja diri twanyan plaza mo then diri video dan de I mean tour men de malo twany ko bes ka tour men de malo twany de ro mo ko de go de la rai gwa me take a do. Okay, so you have to do that. So let's check it again. Me check ke yeah 35 second. Yeah, me 35 second ya talk ben you the no shi do nan chiro da upload 24 second. No. Bi ngadi no video do were especially go jano miti gwad me mo dong internet do very slow no bi video be jan go jano bi upload ke side mi low side ko kula malore mi internet do mi am tot but mi internet do very faster go quality video de la. Okay, now checking is starting soon. Upload complete. Processing will begin shortly. Yep, right now, Chagua. Antama chajona premier now. Lo antama ramshi jek and ngarname there gwini je live. So mi jini twanje today nankong day nanka live video. Gwa the dan and waje gwitina na. Jen drop down dong daily video daily upload keja ka YouTube do using mobile. So being no plus annual way muguru jeno bodo jok bin ka dashboard gwadame dashboard be twan then being no to plus sign tennial be show twanija then be video dan go there upload be show jek you are done from there then the din meto kuje mi she bumulong no but jilo ka long mo video goro gwa chuje pero jeno be nor online tech no be je be subscribe tin ka be nyane de kokien. So agenda na goro no de nyoga kon kel ana ban nyo je gumro dien. Okay.